this town used to be a pretty place to stay, a place you stop off on the highway. But all of those things changed on the day you packed up your bags and you ran away. All they say is how you've changed. Every day I stay the same, so you can keep the necklace that I gave to you. I'll keep the shitty tattoos. I can see it from the other side. The grass isn't always as green. The house is burnt down.
Slow.